Welcome to Parsimony, your key to effective financial management. Today, we're focusing on the Parsimony function within the Assets tool, specifically diving into asset categories. If you're a new user, this guide is tailored just for you. Let's make managing your assets a breeze. To kick things off, head over to the Accounting tab and click Assets. Scroll down and navigate to Asset Category. This is where you can categorize your assets for organized and streamlined financial tracking. To add a new asset category, click on the Add button. Enter your asset category name. Whether it's technology, vehicles, or real estate, Parsimony allows you to categorize your assets with precision. Simply select the depreciation method that best fits your asset. Input the details about the depreciation process and accounts and any additional details needed. Take your time to ensure all the details are entered, giving you a comprehensive overview of your asset category. Once done, click on the Save button to save the asset category you created. And there you have it. The Parsimony function in asset categories simplifies your asset management, making it intuitive and efficient. Thanks for watching this tutorial.